Question number 3, subpart number 3 is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So let us start the solution. Let the cost of one bat equals to rupees X and cost of one ball equals to rupees Y. Then according to question, 7 bats, so 7x, 6 balls, so 6y equals to 3800. Also 3x plus 5y, 3 bats, 1 bat x, 3 bat 3x, 1 ball y, 5 ball 5y equals to 1750. Now we have to solve these two to get the value of x and y. So let us solve this only. This implies 5y equals to 1750 minus of 3x and y equals to 1750 minus of 3x by 5. So this will be equals to 5 3s are 5 5s are minus of 3 by 5x. Putting this value of y in equation 1, we get 7x plus 6 into 350 minus of 3 by 5x equals to 3800. Now let us solve it. This implies 7x plus 6000, 6 5 30, carry 3, 18 and 3, 2100 minus of 18 by 5x equals to 3800. Now this implies 35x minus of 18x by 5. This and this I have operated equals to 3800 minus of 2100. Now this will be equals to 7 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 17x equals to, this will be equal to 0 0, 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1 into 5. This 5 will go this side. Now this implies x equals to 1700 into 5 by 17. So this will be equals to, implies x equals to 500. Now this value I have to put, so 3 implies y equals to 350 minus 3 by 5 into 500. So this will be equals to 350 minus 300 equals to 50. Therefore x equals to 500 and y equals to 50. Answer. Let us go to subpart number 4 of question 3. The question says that the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a distance of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? Also, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So let us do this sum. Let the fixed charge be rupees x and the charge per kilometer be rupees y. Now the first part of the question is for a distance of 10 kilometer. So if the charge per kilometer is y, then the charge for 10 kilometer will be 10y. So x is the fixed charge and charge for 10 kilometer is 10y and the cost is 105. So we got our first equation as fixed charge of 10 kilometer equals to rupees 105. Let us make it equation number 1. I think you got this equation. Second, fixed charge plus charge for 15 kilometer. So 15y equals to rupees 155. This is equation number 2. Now I could have solved easily by elimination method directly, but since it has asked to solve by substitution method, let us do it. So 2 implies 15y equals to, or directly let us write x equals to 155 minus of 15y. Now putting this value of x in equation 1, we get 155 minus of 15y plus of 10y equals to 105. Now this implies minus of 5y equals to minus of 50. This implies y equals to 10. Now putting y equals to 10 in equation 3, we get x equals to 155 minus of 15 into 10 equals to 5. Therefore, fixed charge equals to rupees x equals to rupees 5 and charge per kilometer equals to rupees y equals to rupees 10. Also the charge for 25 kilometer equals to fixed charge plus 25y equals to 10 plus 25 into 10 equals to 10 plus 250 equals to rupees 255. So answer is 5, 10 and 255.